good opportunity to explore and find some new venues. It's been a pretty productive morning. I think I've had about 4 or 5 perch and a jack pike. I lost a couple as well, but awesome for fishing the first time venue and catching a few. It's always good. I'm going to catch a big perch now with this bad boy. It's got to be easy. It's such a good area. Got all the rocky margins. Got all the structure, all the little hidey holes that they need. Food source. Tons of bait fish around. Definitely think it's a matter of just finding out what they want. So I've been throwing a few little soft plastic shads like these, also some creature baits. Nothing on the creature baits this morning, but the shads and the crankbaits seem to be what they wanted. Nice little natural colour, had a few bites on this 5-gram jig head, and also fishing with the thin minnow, again one of the new cranks from Quantum. The one I got on here is the Perch colour. Nice little orange belly. Really like that orange belly. It seems to attract the fish a lot. I'm quite confident when I'm fishing with something with an orange belly. Fishing down the margin, between that slack of the wheel, the sluice will also come down to the sluice. It's hoping that there's some perch hiding in these little crevices here along the bank. Ready to ambush. So I moved further down from the weir, just to a little bit of a deeper pool. Seems to be a lot of perch around here. Getting a lot of bites, all on the drop. Bring the net. Right, so I I've got a small chub on my 2-inch plastic shad, and it's found its way under some rocks. So what I'm going to have to do is try wedge a bit of branch in there and try and get that rock to move just enough to release the fish. Oh, he's off. He came off. But that's what happens, but I got my lure back, at least. On to the next one. Perch on! Tiny little perch here. Good sport, there seems to be a big shoal of them. Probably my 3rd or 4th already. Just a little guy. They all count. Maybe I'll chuck something there by the weeds. Yeah. It's a perch. Has to be. Another little perch on. Slightly bigger than the last. Ooh. It's a good little guy. Targeting perch and chub this morning. I've had a few bites on fire tiger chatterbait. Got a whack-lash shad on it. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I think what we'll do is, I'd rather just go fish that weird part again. Have a few casts here and then go back. It's a lot of river to cover. It's deep. I think I'd rather, at least there it's getting quite a lot of action. This one is more taking time to fish it and cover the water slowly. Because like there's so much water I can get on each swim. So as we're only out for a couple of hours this morning, I started off with the weir. We probably fished here for about an hour and a half. Like I said, had about 4 or 5 fish, and then decided to do a bit of exploring, go up the river a bit. But it's quite a deep river, a large body of water. So decided to then just come back to the weir we had 4 or 5 fish before and just grind it out basically, see if we can get anything else. I've had a few bites since I've returned. Nothing big, just like really small wasps. But it's been good fun. It's always nice to go out to a new spot Just spend a bit of time there, finding the structure, deeper pools, finding the little ledges, fishing around against the margins here, but just exploring what the water has to offer. Since the beginning of the week, we're in store for some really good weather, so I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to fit in another session pretty soon. Yeah, so thanks guys, hope you enjoy, and on to the next one. What in the world is going on here that it can do that? Never has that ever happened in my life.